seems like we're walking this fine line, which is reflective of what we've heard from Fed officials. On the one hand, acknowledging the improvement that we've seen from those low levels in the second quarter, much of which can be attributed to Fed policy, but also highlighting the still lingering weakness that we're seeing across a number of sectors as the pandemic remains, highlighting the uncertainty and the risks that we will face going into the end of the year and longer term into the outlook next year and beyond. So it's a very muted, modest balance. We have seen gains, but there's still a lot of ground yet to recapture.
Kirk Hartman, do you see any possibility that the economy could flatten out and turn negative over the next few months? We had an event yesterday with Mario Gabelli, who's a really brilliant investor. He thinks 2021 is going to be a very good year economically. Do you?
Well, I think 2021, and the markets are discounting it, is going to be a very good year. I think what could trip up the market near term is a lack of clarity on the election. So a lot of variables hanging out there, and the election clearly is a wild card. But look at the market levels that we're at. Clearly, 2021 looks to be a pretty good year.
The market seems to be presuming, Kirk, that there will be a vaccine that will be effective, that will be widely distributed within, let's say, the next few months or by middle of 2021. That seems to be, to me, underpinning an awful lot of the market optimism to the extent we have it.
Oh, very much so. And if you look at all the previous beige books, what they hinted at or very explicit, unemployment and the recovery in employment is very much a function of a vaccine. So to your point, the markets are very dependent on a vaccine. And what I'm concerned about is I think the vaccine will take a bit longer to roll out than we expect. And also, my expectation is for a difficult winter, especially in the colder climates. So, a lot of wild cards out there. But, at the end of the day, I think 2021 will be pretty good.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.